It's a great time having you. Comrade, it's a great time having you. We have been having lecture series, teachings on entrepreneurship when it comes to tackling the issue of unemployment through entrepreneurship. And we have done lesson 6. Now I told you that this is very packed. It can go up to lesson 10 because we have to able to look at the nitty gritties on the issue that borders unemployment and the way we can deal with that. So this lesson 6. We're going to bring this lesson 6. So before that, I want to remind you, Bismarck say, I have a lot of ebooks on Amazon. Books like Building a Competitor, Credit Planner, $4. To be impossible to have this world without you, $4. Leaders of General Thinkers, $4. Your marriage will be a state of mind to all, $4. There is something inside the world that's in need of $4. There are books like Building Yourself as a Millionaire, $4. Enhance your risk taking ability, $4. Enhance your decision making ability, $4. Growing with a cloud of luminaries and connections, $4. Also, Smarter Than Level Competition put together, $4. There are other books like If You Can Dream It, Good Methods Are Not Made of Good, They Are Made of Determination, Enhance Opportunity and Unique Capability. They are all books available for you. Help me drive the sales. I'm not getting sales for it. I'm advertising, paying for advert, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok. I'm not getting any dime. Help me buy some of these for me as you have been supporting me in all this while. Also, I want to beseech you that I have a lot of videos on YouTube, over more than 156 videos on entrepreneurship. Where there are videos on enhancing risk, minimizing ability, 24 videos, and there'll be more video about. You're going to upload more than 10. You're going to be more than close to 40 videos. Enhancing risk, minimizing ability in entrepreneurial world, building yourself as a millionaire in entrepreneurial world, creating a new trend of being. They're all there. They're 15 minutes. Watch them, like them, subscribe to them, and send a comment. Also, I have videos on motivational message. There's 60 motivational messages. Like they're 15 minutes. Building yourself as a millionaire. Dictating the direction of competition. There are a lot of them. There are 60 of them. Subscribe to them, like them, and send your comment. Also, there are videos on economics. Those who are writing WASI from year 1 to year 3, we have done videos, about 26 videos, but I've uploaded. We have only 2 on my site videos on one, elasticity of demand, elasticity of supply, and some concept on entrepreneurship, on national income accounting. So we want you to, if you want all the videos from year 1 to year 3 on economics, we have done them. It's available for sale, and it's at very reasonable. The price is very reasonable. It's very reasonable price, right? It's very reasonable. We want you to, if you contact me, I'll help you get them. You can send me a chat through my Facebook page, or you can send it to my WhatsApp or TikTok or Twitter page, or you can still call me 027-510-5641. If you want to add the country code, can add Ghana country code 0233. So you can call me and I'll get it for. It's very affordable. I can beseech you. It's very, very affordable. Get it for yourself. If you have them, you've done the teaching, the notes, the explanation, the data response exams. You can stay in the house, listen to it, and go and write the exams. Nothing will happen. So we beseech you that you get these things for we see that you get these things for yourself. We beseech you that you can get these materials for yourself. So get them. Also, you to have videos on your marriage will be a state of mind to, or Bismarck say your marriage will be a state of mind to, where there are teachings on dating, courtship, and marriage. There are 13 videos, they're 15 minutes. Watch them, like them, send your comment. Also, there are Bismarck say on YouTube, your River from the Temple sermons, there are sermons that be uploaded, sermons like My Secret is Jesus, the Economy of God. If it's not left for God, it's not left for faith. God doesn't need a protocol to bless you. Prayer have to graphical connections. There are plenty of them. Prayer and miracles are not so for hard work. What kind of man is this? A lot of them. Plenty. About 50 of them. 50 sermons. About 50, 52 or 51. And more is coming. Because I meet Saturday. We do prayer meeting on Saturday 3 a.m. You can meet me on Saturday 3 a.m. We start from 3 a.m. on Facebook, right? So if you have enough of them, go and get them for yourself. So before, I want to just do some small recap the things we spoke about in lesson 5. Lesson 5, we spoke about the fact that the World Bank should ensure that developing lower middle income countries establish skills development centers and apprentice program to ensure that those who are doing artisans, like the artisans, get enough capital to inject into their business to help achieve that. And we see that in most of these countries, these artisans form the majority of the people employed. So we said that. We said the point 8. We said that UN trade agencies like the World Bank, IMF, WTO should enforce corporate organization. That there are more than 250,000 corporate organizations in the world. They should enforce them that they should set up entrepreneurship fund that support entrepreneurship, startup entrepreneurs. Even though some of them are doing it, it's not so much rigorous, and some are not doing it. But if they enforce it, they make it a requirement. But before this institution can secure government, renew their license or renew anything, they will check them. They will check them whether they have been doing it before you can get access to all these things. I think there will be a sort of irresistible search towards ensuring that this is done to help deal with the issue of unemployment. Also, we said that the International Bank for Settlement, the IBS, to ensure that countries that have not implemented the credit scoring system, the credit bureau system, should work towards implementing it to get the necessary reform to build a very robust financial sector. Once you have a robust financial sector, they can provide the needed the funds to build to help ventures. When it comes to where ventures, it can help them in that sense, so that the venture help them finance entrepreneurship venture. We said that. To move on, point 10. The UN Women Wing, responsible for women development and human resources, to ensure that member countries establish women development bank. We are saying the UN, there's a wing. I think I got the name of the wing. I don't know where I wrote it. There's a wing on the UN Women. The UN Women is the name of the wing. Is one of the agencies at the UN that focus purposely on women. They should work towards that. Member countries establish women development bank, which will give women who have the entrepreneurial resourcefulness in the global world financial assistance to start their own business at a very reasonable interest rate. So it should be something that the UN Women, which is an agency under the UN for women development and human rights, should ensure, through the UN, should enforce that member countries are all supposed to establish women development bank. And the idea is that they should help provide enough entrepreneurial resourcefulness for women. There are a lot of women in the world. The world, 8 billion people, I believe about 45 or even beyond that are women. Some of these women, there are some that they face the problem. What is the problem? The problem is that they don't have enough liquidity to inject into their business. If the UN agent, UN woman, this agency, enforce this thing, it will help these countries to set up the Women Development Bank that will help provide the needed liquidity for these women to achieve that. This should be a requirement for securing facilities from the UN and IMF. The IMF and the World Bank should ensure that member countries, everybody established before you can even get financial facility from the World Bank or the IMF, that you make sure that you have a Women Development Bank. And the idea is it's a policy bank. It's not a commercial bank. It's a policy bank. And the objective is that they should provide enough liquidity to finance entrepreneurial ventures of women. And once we know, research has shown that since women spend more time with their children than their fathers, when they are able to burgeon in business activity, it helps the family and it helps to attenuate unemployment and reduce population growth. So this should be well operationalized. Countries can finance this by dealing with the issue of tackling illicit financial flow, transfer pricing, annual budget allocation can all be used towards financing this thing. And this will be policy bank that will give wholesale financing to support these women in terms of that and deal with their unemployment. Number 11, the World Intellectual Property Organization. That has the responsibility of promoting creativity and intellectual property, with a UN agency, should enforce government in global world to set up creativity fund to promote entrepreneurial resourcefulness in the area of creativity industry. In most countries, especially in my country right now, there's a lot of creativity, but there's nothing like creativity fund where the government have set aside money to help boost the creativity industry. It's nothing like that. And this is also one sector where there can be enormous job being created. So the World Intellectual Property Organization, which is a wing under the UN agency, responsible for intellectual property and creativity, should enforce member countries that they should have to create creativity fund, which will be channeled towards the creativity industry. There are a lot of people find themselves there, movies, poetry, write-ups, music, and people are making money. If you go to US, musicians are even richer than some graduates who are working in some corporate organization. And once this is done, it will help create a lot of dynamos. It will help create a lot of dynamos job in the creativity industry when it comes to the issue of job creation, right? So they should enforce them. The World Intellectual Property Organization should promote that agenda. I'm solely for it. So we don't only create job from one sector, we look at other sectors where we have, and these are sectors you see a lot of people with prowess in creativity, with adroitness in creativity, they will need a fund to do more, create job for themselves, expand the industry, and bring a lot of people on board, carry a lot of people on their shoulders. The monetary value of the creativity industry in the global world 2024 was $985 billion. This can double or triple if the enough jobs is being created by the creativity fund. So as of now, the creative industry is worth $985 billion in the global world. I'm talking about the global world, not in Ghana, but the global world. If this is created, there's a higher tendency it can precipitate the fact that the more jobs can be created, and it can, if it's doubled, it can this amount can double and can create more jobs. How the government finance such an idea? Proportion of their budget allocated to the Ministry of Tourism. In most countries, Ministry of Tourism and Creativity Act. Government should allocate some of these funds towards that. Their budgetary allocation they give to these ministries. There should be set aside some of the money towards creativity. So that it doesn't mean that they're going to look for a new money. They can just set aside the money assigned to the tourism and creativity industry. Some can be set aside to help finance such an act. And this is very important towards achievement. Number 12, the International Financial Corporation, which is one of the bodies under World Bank Group, should work towards expansion of the service of venture capital, angel investors, crowdfunding, microfinance. So, and the World Bank, the World Bank Group have 5 wings. One of the wings is what we call the IFC, what we call the International Financial Corporation. The International Financial Corporation basically is to provide financial assistance to boom businesses in developing and lower middle income countries, especially developing and lower middle income countries. And we're saying that they should work towards ensuring that in most countries that venture capital owned by the government or owned by private individual. There are angel investors, there are crowdfunding and microfinance. So we're saying that the IFC should ensure that these people expand their service, even though they are there. Some of the expansion of the services, there will be a lot of caveat, there will be a lot of conundrum. They have not been going as the way we wanted. They should work towards helping these entrepreneurial ventures to expand. When they expand, it will support entrepreneurship ventures and create more jobs. Estimated over 1.2 million, over more than 1.2 million. This can double if their services expanded, especially venture capital, angel investor, crowdfunding in developed countries. What they're saying is that the IFC, International Financial Corporation, to ensure that these venture capital that provide funds for early startup, angel investors that invest in early startup in returns for equity, the crowdfunding, microfinance, they should expand their services to ensure that those will ensure that they do more and create more job when it comes to helping in the area of startup and people already existing. So I want to end the lesson 6. We'll come again with the lesson 7, 8 to 9 and 10. But the points, we are on 13 points. You have 20, so you have barely like 10 points more. 10 points more. So before we go, I want to remind them, because I have a lot of books on Amazon. The books like Building a Competitor, The Credit Plan, $4. Can be impossible of this world without you, $4. There's something inside the world in need of $4. Leaders of Generation Thinkers, $4. Your marriage will be a state of mind to work, $4. Also, there are books like Building Yourself as a Millionaire, $4. Enhance your decision making ability, $4. Enhance your risk taking ability, $4. Growing with a cloud of alumni risk and conditions, $4. Smarter than level of competition put together. There are also smarter than level of competition put together. There are also other books like If You Can Dream It, You Can Do It, Enhance Opportunity, Generating Capabilities. Gold medals are not made of gold, they are made of determination. There are also books like Preparing Your Child for Life Reality, Making 100 Friends is Not a Miracle. There are a lot of them. They are very cheap. Buy them. For me, I'm not getting sales. I'm subscribed. I'm advertising on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm not getting sales. So help me get the sales of this book. Also, I have a lot of videos on YouTube based on entrepreneurship lecture. They are lecture on entrepreneurship. Some of them are how to enhance your risk, minimize ability in the entrepreneurial world, how to transform your nation into entrepreneur. There are over more than 24 videos, and more videos are going to be loaded and to be up to about 40 videos. We beseech you, get these videos, watch them, subscribe to them, and send a comment. We also have Bismarck say motivation masses, where there are motivation, there are 60 of them. Some of them are, I see billionaire in you, detection and direction competition. Watch them, like them, send your comment, and subscribe to them. Also, I have videos on economics where we have made videos for people who are going to write WASI. From year 1 to year 3, I've done the explanation, the notes writing, the explanation, the data response, and everything. As of now, I've uploaded only 3 on my YouTube, but the rest 28 videos, they are all there. You can go, you need them, I'll give you my contact. For now, I have only elasticity of demand, price elasticity of supply. Also, I have concept on national income. That's on my YouTube channel. The rest, about 24 videos more, they are being available for sale. And if you contact me through, you can send me a chat on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, or you can call me 027 510 5641. You can add a country code 0233. I can get it for you. We get all these lectures from year 1 to year 3 for you to write, prepare you to write WASI. The plan explanation, the notes, the data response examples there. You can just sit down, listen to it, and go and write. Also, I have Bismarck say on YouTube, your marriage will be a state of mind to war, where they're teaching some dating and question about marriage. There are 13 videos, 15 minutes. Watch them, like them, subscribe to them. Also, I have Bismarck say, River from the Temple sermons, where there are sermons like the greatest news of all time. No political human institution can take the place of God in your life. The economy of God, my secret is Jesus. There's also sermon like prayer and miracles and all sorts of hard work. So you have all these things. Watch the videos, like them, send a comment, and subscribe. Again, to buy my ebooks for me so that I can even support people. Thank you so much. See you for the lesson 7. Thank you so much. Bye bye.